When I started this YouTube channel, I had one thing in mind, and that was sincerely to advocate, to save somebody from facing the difficulties I had to unknowingly face because I was unprepared. I thought my experience might encourage, give hope, and motivate somebody out there. Therefore, what I was saying is, even if a single soul got to know of my story and change something for the better, I will be okay. My name is Mavis Owusua. If you are here for the first time on this channel, please take the moment, hit the subscribe button, and join the community. Yes, so it really backfired somehow when I started, or people started calling me and telling me I should be ashamed of calling out my family in public for having psychosis. Should I be ashamed of having to deal with people with psychosis in my family? Is that what you expect me to do? To not tell the truth? This is what our society has turned into. People with psychosis are ashamed because when they come out, they are being backlashed. A whole lot of people won't let you talk about the truth. And I see psychosis as I see cancer. I see psychosis as I see stroke. I see psychosis as I see blindness. And so please, I think it's time we change how we perceive psychosis. So I was bold enough, came out to emotionally talk about my experience, how I had to deal with 3 members of my family suffering from psychosis, and how I wanted to help. And it's so amazing how so-called enablers turned the paper and started calling me out. I had psychosis myself. This is what the society, in fact, to be precise, African society, do to truth tell us. According to our tradition, some things remain family secrets. Some things are untold. So dare you come out to tell the truth. There is a court, you know, the elderly court where you can talk. I get it. I understand. But my motive was totally different. I don't mean to disgrace my family. Oh, hell no. Never will I do that. And that is not my intention. But I am not ashamed of my origin. I am not ashamed for what we didn't call for. Nobody in this world deliberately wishes him or herself psychosis. So why should I be ashamed of it? Nobody called cancer upon him or herself. Yet, we feel some kind of pity for those who have cancer. And we are ashamed to come out and talk about psychosis. But truly, most families have it. At least a person or two. If it's not that kind, it's personality disorder. In fact, a bunch of families suffer from personality disorders, which in our African society we have no clue of and term witchcraft. I have come to learn that personality disorders, psychosis, please, this is what this channel is about. I am here to share my experience and wish to change how the society, mostly Africans, perceive psychosis. In fact, I am surrounded by people with psychosis. And it's okay. Maybe you are surrounded by people with ulcer. So you think it's okay. Then so is mine. You have cancer in your family. So is mine. It's normal. So I won't be ashamed. And the fact that I'm coming out as a truth teller doesn't mean some so-called enablers should crucify me. Because I believe there are some people out there who need to know the difference between some mental disorders, personality disorders, mental diseases. A change has to happen. So this is my message. This channel I started because I wanted to tell my story, to share my experience and change something for the better. Yes, and it's about psychosis and personality disorder. So please stay tuned, share with somebody else, and now we are going to really get started as I planned and wish to do, come what may. So stay blessed and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share of course, so we win many souls. And see you next time. Bye.